Welcome back to my channel, My Kitchen Farm. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So today we are making oxtail. Well, not we, because I'm not cooking, I'm just videoing, and I was late on the video process, so stay tuned to see what's going on. This is not a regular video that I usually post, it's a different video. It's my birthday dinner, so let's go. Oxtail. So guys, the oxtail already chopped, clean, washed and getting seasoned, and we have onions, we have garlic. Okay, watch out, and we have we have bell peppers in there, so it's already getting ready. This is the night before my birthday, so the oxtail is getting ready from overnight. It's time to cut up this onion. Coming on. So guys, this right here, it's a browning add-in and also some soy sauce. I will place a recipe in the description box for you guys and instruction to follow. Soy sauce, garlic, red pepper, everything. Salty. Right here. So right there is time for some powder seasoning, and that's what's going on right here. So when you're cooking oxtail, you have to ensure that it's well seasoned because it takes some time to cook. And to marinate, it's letting maybe at the end when it's almost finished you can add some more powder seasoning as well. And you put the scotch bonnet in there and the going to. All up in there. So transfer it to another container and put it in the refrigerator. So guys, I didn't really cook. I'm not the chef today, so I will take the aftermath. So the oxtail is in the pot covered and let it simmer for about 2 hours. How long? 2 hours. About 2 hours. Yeah. That will see you back later. Yeah, oxtail coming on. Very nice. Throw some more water in it. That's it. So this is the finished product before dinner. I added some potatoes in there. Some potato was added. Yeah. That's it, guys. That's it. Ooh, yummy. It's gonna get in my tummy. Get in there. Get in there. If you all want to see birthday pictures, comment down below and let me know. So guys, this was my birthday dinner. I haven't had rice in a minute, so I didn't have any rice. I had grown provisions. So thank you all for watching. Peace. I'm out.